Welcome to the advanced technology world of Japan, where incredible innovation and discovery happen every day. Today, we will explore one of the most advanced factories in Japan that produces powerful space rockets. This factory is located in Kimotsuki City, Kagoshima Prefecture. Here, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, launches the solid-fueled rocket Epsilon. This rocket is equipped with 9 small satellites and is launched from the Uchinori Space Center. The Epsilon rocket is a Japanese solid-fueled rocket designed to launch scientific satellites. This project is a larger and more expensive project than the retired MV rocket project in 2006. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, began developing Epsilon in 2007. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other interesting video updates. This rocket has a total length of 26 meters and weighs 96 tons. About 50 minutes after launch, the small demonstration satellite, RAISE-2, was placed in orbit at an altitude of 570 kilometers. Then 8 other satellites were launched sequentially for about 20 minutes and succeeded. The Epsilon rocket has been successfully launched as the 5th consecutive aircraft or rocket. This vehicle is capable of launching a satellite weighing 1.2 tons into low Earth orbit. The development cost of the Epsilon rocket is 5.8 billion yen. In addition, Japan also has the H-IA rocket, or the Japanese H-2A rocket, built by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. This rocket also carries the X-ray imaging and spectroscopy mission, XRISM satellite, a joint project of JAXA, NASA, and the European Space Agency, ESA. Japan also has a pioneering space company, Interstellar Technologies, headquartered in Hokkaido. This company has successfully turned cow dung into rocket fuel. With advanced technology and continuous innovation, Japan has successfully demonstrated its ability to produce powerful space rockets. With these rockets, Japan has successfully launched various satellites into Earth orbit, paving the way for new discoveries and research in outer space. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other interesting video updates.